Hi, weekly expenses analysis. So see there's a you can really calculate how much you spend a week when you go to work. For let's say you work from Monday to Friday, and every day you spend maybe this is the amount or maybe not, right? Maybe say that is 20 ringgit a month per day. So you just put 20 and then press Control Enter and you fill up the value. Now maybe on Tuesday uh, you have some budget, so you put there maybe Tuesday and Thursday you eat a bit better. And now what's the and 6 ringgit is fixed, right? It is same road, same same day, same time. So the total would be this plus this. Okay. Now this formula here, if you copy this down and notice that is that the number here will change accordingly. So this is the characteristic of this Microsoft Excel, right? When you copy down, right, this formula here, the row part. So this is a cell and it has a row part and a column part. The row part will change, right? Will change. So okay, there's nothing big deal, right? So but the thing is that if I transform this into this, now how would you deal with it, right? See that there's numbers, it's the same amount and then plus a total, and then as I copy this down here and notice that it's 30 plus this. So but actually we want to be on row 13. So how do you fix it, right? One way is that you click this and drag it over here, and that's 36. And if you copy it out again, and you notice that hey, this one also need to go to this row. Okay, um, so you can do this one by one. We will take some time, but if you know the dollar sign, then you can tell Excel that hey, look, on this in this cell, red cell here, it should be always at row 13. So then I put it to 13 here. Okay, and then I just copy it down. Now some student will ask me, well, why not I just put the $2 sign here, right? And doesn't matter. You see, it's the same, right? Now that is if your formula is not going to copy to the right at the same time. What do I mean? Now here, this row here is 20 ringgit plus 6 ringgit and 50 cents. So if you just copy this over here, it's 26. So look at that. For the red cell, it remain at column F because you just lock it. For the D, oh yeah, I already have in advance locking it. So you see that if you lock this both, you cannot achieve the same. So you get to remove this. As for this column, you need to lock the column D. Now I can just delete this and copy it to the right and double click. Just drag it here and that's it. So 26. Let's do the double check. So yeah, it works. So now this is the total for the weekly. So you just press alternate equal sign and that's it, one, and then again. So with a 10% increase, after the 10% increase of food price, if you all know that, so we just take this amount. Just take this in F21 and then times 0.10, 1.1. Okay, and you can see that it's now making to this here. Okay, so it may not be seems a lot, but the thing is that if you say times if you times 4 weeks, 4 weeks. Okay, so what is this? So this amount times 4, 600 times 4 weeks. So was it that way? And for this one here, you also times 4 weeks. So this one times 4. So not much. Okay. Now, what if you actually don't use this? This is only a loan. If you have a family, this is a meal for a family. So let's say you deal with a whole family, right? So a whole family of two kids or one kid. So now it become the food price itself is a whooping of 1,004. And what if I say, see, from 1,003 become 1,004? So the difference is really minus this. So you for out additional this amount. Okay. Not much different, right, if the toll rate. But the thing is that the food price is the key. Now, if I just say that for any reason you ate just one day you additional 880, so you can see that well, maybe I'll just say change. Does it change? So you can see that here. Now, don't forget that you have another 2 day that you haven't added it. So let's say I added another 2, so 60 times 6, 180. So just put it 180. So it become 2,000. You see that? The food price, everything from 9,000, from 1,900, it increased to 2,100, and then you need the additional 196 ringgit to cover that. So where can you find this money? Become a YouTuber. It takes over time, but you can, right? If you know some YouTuber, you can that day. So thanks for watching. I hope that you just learn how to use the dollar sign to help you to analyze faster. And of course, here is just a random things, right? You don't even need to work on this. Just think about that. The dollar sign is the key that you want to learn about in this course. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless.